So we are waiting at Vienna station now to take our train to Innsbruck, but we are planning that we will get down at Salzburg because there is some construction work going on. So after that we'll take the bus from there, which is included in the ticket price. So we reached Innsbruck and this is the view which we saw.
I don't know how camera would be justifying this, but do you see it? So here we are at the station and we just came out and this is the view. I mean, just look at this.
So even though there is sun, but it's too cold because of the winds maybe. So अभी हम लोग सिटी सेंटर जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे we'll see what we can do. There are few viewpoints where we can go, and
Yes.
we'll also try to fly the drone if possible.
I mean, initially we thought that would Innsbruck be a better idea to visit, but I think it is. It is just for the views. So this is the view of the Austrian Alps. This is the city center, and if you come to the city center, every tourist spot is just walkable, so you don't have to take a day ticket. Today we won't be spending on a day ticket in tram because everything is very walkable. You can see right there, this is the city center and there is the golden roof. As you can see, this is the golden roof, and just to let you know that you have a museum right there which you can visit.
अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं ये इम्पीरियल कासल की तरफ, and these are the souvenir shops.
So you can see how beautiful this is, and one thing that we realized is that on whichever street you go, you have this view right here. In front of us we have the palace, and yes, you can see it all white, and there is a fountain beside us where you can click good pictures. And yes, if you take the free tour guide, they will explain you all the history, and we will recommend that to you. For us right now it's not possible because today there is no walking tour available for the day. So yes,
One tip is that you book your day tour in way advance,
yes,
because in Austria, especially in Innsbruck, in peak season, getting a free tour is not so easy.
it's there on every website of Austria's walking tour that if you want to book it, you have to book at least in a week advance. One thing that I was trying to do, which you can book for yourself, was getting a local guide for you. Okay, so I didn't book it way advance. I tried booking it today morning and we could not get it. So basically it's a free walking tour with a local guide who is staying in Innsbruck, and the person will take you around the city, the old town, and show you and share their experiences. And of course, I mean, nothing comes for free, right? So you can tip the person as well, of course, and it's not mandatory, but you can something that we prefer to do because they're spending their time with us and they are sharing such good things about the history of Austria. A token of appreciation is something that at least we can do. So
This is the reflection of Austrian Alps. So Kajal, कैसा लग रहा है इंसबर्ग सिटी?
it looks good. I mean, जैसे मैंने बताया कि I was having doubts on visiting Innsbruck, but the views here are very good. I mean, you can see the Alps of Austria, and camera might not be doing justice. And this is like an unpopular opinion or not, I don't know. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप एक बार एक सिटी पहुंच जाते हो ना, तो बहुत सारी जगह होती है जो आप घूम सकते हो। इसलिए कि आपको लगता है कि पता नहीं इस सिटी में क्या है देखने लायक, क्या नहीं है, बट हर सिटी का ना कुछ अपना देने को है।
एक वाइब होता है,
एक वाइब होता है हर एक सिटी में, एंड दे ऑफर समथिंग टू यू। सो वंस यू विजिट इट ओनली देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड। मैं बोलूँगी कि इंसबर्ग आना ज़रूरी है इन योर ऑस्ट्रिया ट्रिप, या मैं बोलूँगी कि साल्जबर्ग जाना ज़रूरी है, तो दैट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट। इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ कि आप अपना आइटनरी में आप जब आते हो तो आप जो सिटीज़ को विज़िट करते हो, go through the vibe of it, go to the places, have some local food.
So this is our Airbnb, and this is the garden. So this is the night vibe of Innsbruck, and you can see the mountains. Today is Sunday, so everything is closed, but still it's good. Currently it's 9, almost it's 10 to 9, so it's good. The weather is also good. It's not too cold and not too hot.
Today we will be going to Athens, which is in Innsbruck, near Innsbruck, and we are leaving for the Swarovski museum or park. And it is said that it's very beautiful, and you may you may relate to it because it's used in a lot of Bollywood songs. So we will show you some of the places which you can, if you're a 90s kid, definitely know which places they are. So we are in the bus and waiting for it to start. We have taken the bus number 655 that will go to Schwazan. You can also take this. So it costed us around 21 euros for 4 people, including taxes. So you can so it's probably 4 euros for the ticket and then the taxes. Also, so if you go to the Swarovski website, you can see that the round trip costs you around 11 euros, and the only problem is that you have limited options, you have limited buses that will go, so you have to either follow that timetable or you can take this bus like we are doing, and travel to the Swarovski. So this is the bus stop. As you can see, we have got down here. Our friends are walking ahead. We are just recording. So you can see the Swarovski there, and I think the entrance is from here. So we are walking.
Hello.
That's Abhijit there.
There's a small walk towards the museum, and we are just going there. You can see it's so beautiful. It's between the Austrian Alps, and it is a worth experience to be visited, what we have heard. So we will tell our review as well. So yes, let's go and see how it is.